Okay, so we understand why they need to have Amazon accounting. So when they are doing their accounting, what is the right way to structure that so that they get to see their operation in terms of its performance? So since you are the corporate accountant, I don't know, you want to tell us what's the best way to structure that account?
Yeah, sure. So thankfully with A2X, we have a set of default accounts that we provide to customers that maybe that are just starting out or maybe setting up their accounting system for the first time. And so we will create the ledger accounts that they need in their accounting system, say for seller fees and charges, FBA fees, advertising, and then reimbursements, income, refunds, shipping, all of those things will be separated out. So we sort of provide the accounting structure within A2X without you sort of needing to know that side in detail. But obviously the biggest part with Amazon accounting is the stock. And so Amazon accounting is obviously very important, cash flow and all of those things, but maintaining stock levels at Amazon is probably, as an Amazon seller, would be seen as being more important because there's things that can happen negatively if you actually run out of stock in Amazon. And therefore, I think the A2X structure is to provide the data that people need to be able to get that right from the start. So again, we provide that inventory report at the end of each period so we can tell people what they've got and where. And then we also, provide all of the default accounts that are required. And we pretty much have them sending accounting data across to their accounting system at the click of a button within minutes. And our system automatically separates data. So with Amazon, settlements often cross month periods. And obviously you want to have the right accounting in the right month period. And so our system will separate that for sellers and make sure that is easily reconcilable, but also accounted for in correct month periods. So yeah, structure-wise, our default accounts are what I would recommend. And they give the best breakdown and they provide the best accounting information, and it can be used for management accounting, financial reporting, and everything.
Yeah. So
I think, should I just add to that, Nick? Is that all
right?
Yeah,
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, when I think of structuring accounting, I also think of like what is going to give the Amazon business owner the most visibility. And I think that's where it's really important just to remember to separate everything out. So as Iona was talking about, we have these default accounts. What that is knowing what your top line sales were for every individual SKU, knowing exactly what FBA fees you were being charged. And Iona mentioned about inventory, it can go the other way and you can start having your inventory in these warehouses for too long and then start getting charged even more fees, which completely disrupts your margins. So I think when I think of like structure, think of like what will provide you the best visibility to run your business. And that is definitely separating everything out.
Yeah. So what I want to do, ladies, is in this conversation, people listening, I want them to be able to take away the formula we give them and then set up their account in a way that will be the most meaningful. So